Naoy Duma, you can join them also now, and then join again later.
Oh yeah, Dubli. Okay, Ina. Picture. Come, beautiful. It is very confusing. It's not very clear, but I think there is a Kulip clan. We have adopted the Kulip. His name is, what's your name? What's your name?
Kapoy!
Kapoy.
Mag-join ka at ako na ang mag-picture.
Oh, you need to join.
Join.
Ante, alam. Ay, video to.
Okay.
Okay, alam, sige. Ako kalkalita na kami sa picture.
Okay. Actually, it's not yet very clear where we are from Kulip, but we are now clear that we are from Naoy Duma. And I think as we continue to organize, we will do like an illustration, like a tree, a family tree, so that we will know where we are, which twig, which branch.
And how did we become?
Yeah, and
Thank you.
we are the most, so we are going to challenge everybody to call everybody. Anyway, I wonder if Ina was saying a while ago something about Pedro. Pedro. Si Pedro at natoy daot san may katloy agawot.
Asin natago.
Ano ka upay may katloy agaw. Baka ano pa. So anyway, we will this is just a start. It's good for us to just present ourselves as from the Naoy Duma, and it's good to see also the other branches. Thank you so much. Oh, that's true. That's the reason why we came here. Okay, so we have the oldest among us is Ina Banayan, Lilian Kapuyan, and we are